Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Matt Buell, so this is the M Buell Studio channel. Just want to take a minute to say thank you for checking this out, and also just to kind of put a few things out there and get it on the table. A little bit about me: I build and design furniture for a living. In other words, my clients pay my bills, not YouTube. And I just wanted to kind of put that out there so that you know where I'm coming from. I don't get paid by companies to make videos proclaiming tools are great or yada yada, or to try and sell stuff to you. So if I'm making a video and in one of them it's reviewing a tool that I bought and I really like, it's because I'm putting my stamp on it, and as a professional with over 13 years experience, there's a little gravitas to that. And that's the only reason I'm doing it. I like supporting people that make good stuff because their stuff helps me make a living. That's it. The spirit of this channel is really just a good, honest look at what being a professional really looks like, what the day-to-day can be, even making some videos, the process of certain pieces I build, but also some reviews on equipment and stuff when it comes in if I'm happy about it, and also probably just whatever shenanigans might arise. If there's a time where I do put a link and I get something out of it, I'll tell you. I'm not interested in being anything besides who I am. And my work's good, it speaks for itself. But anyway, wanted to thank you. Hopefully you'll enjoy this and the things we're going to be putting out. You will get candid and honest commentary from me every time. You have my word on that. Thanks for tuning in.